572.
Try. Yan, kay Ma'am Vanessa Pakumbala. Lindring, Ana. Sino pala? May ko ano yan? One na, 55. If only you were mine, I feel the way that I do. And I whisper this word as she lies by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These two words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Ayan, ayos naman. Kakanta nga po kayo, Ma'am Summer One. So the day I finally find the courage deep inside is to walk right up to your door. But the time to get you, when I finally get to it, it's 1,000 times before that without a word he handed me this letter. Ako lutin, right I hope this find a way to your heart. He'd say, I love you. Please say you love me too. These two words, they can change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, maybe I need a love. Maybe I need a little get at you. Please say you love me too. These two words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. I love you. Please say you love me too. Till the end of time. Ma'am Summer White watching here sa kabundukan ng Japan. Wow! Rhea Bichayda. Wilfredo Escrilla. Yan. Para sa inyo ito. Titistingan natin. When she looked at me, I know that girl is things nobody else can see. All of this secret fear inside, in all the craziness I hide. soul and read me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just take me as I am. Come what may, she believe, and the pain is something I never know before. Come what may, she loves me, and the love has helped me open the door, making I love myself a little more. Uy, wow! Salamat po, Ma'am Summerwell. When I turn away,
Greg Agustin, on Bended Knee. What? Parang hindi ko mamalam yun, ha? Barcelon Lin.
anyone can do in socially millimeter. My darkest hour of uncertainty,